Hi everyone, today we are going to analyze today's MSET paper, that is 17th September 2020 morning shift analysis. Let us have a look at paper analysis. If you look at the difficulty level of today's paper, that was moderate as compared to last year because the expected topics are asked in all three subjects. We know that in chemistry, physical chemistry, which covers these all topics, is important for our MSET examination. So the more questions were covered from these topics, that is physical and organic chemistry. So it's a request to revise all these important topics before your examination if you are having MSET examination tomorrow. And chemistry paper was little bit easy as compared to last year. Now coming to physics, the difficulty level of physics was moderate. It means that it was not so much tough and it was not so much easy. And more questions were asked from thermodynamics, as we know that thermodynamics is most important topic for your MSET preparation. So more questions were asked, and ray and wave optics is also a important chapter. Don't forget to prepare current, electricity and motion in plane. I request you to revise all these 4 topics thoroughly so that you will be getting at least 10 to 12 marks from only these 4 topics. Coming to mathematics, it was also moderate and more questions were asked from algebra, calculus and trigonometry and coordinate geometry. Don't forget to revise all these topics, that is calculus is most important, you all know that, and trigonometry is also important. Trigonometry in the sense you have to cover all the related topics to trigonometry. Several students are in confusion regarding the signature of gazetted officer on their application form. So it is not mandatory as we have discussed in the last video. So no need of gazetted signature or your principal signature on your application form or hall ticket. And one more thing is, candidates must return the worksheet to the invigilator after the examination. Remember that don't use worksheet or booklet until it has to be used, because to solve mathematics you need some space. So use your worksheet or booklet wisely so that you should not face the problem at the end. So thank you for watching the video. Please share with your friends.